Hello, viewer. I just received the Sound Strike Sinoceratops 2.0, and now we are going to unbox it right here, live on camera. I know Dino Screen Reviews actually unboxed it. I think last week he got it. But we was waiting for mine, and it actually shipped really, once it was really released, it came pretty quick. So, this step right here is the fun part. You can actually see it. I have actually. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, it's the camera. I have it set up a very weird way where the case only lets it face downwards. I'm using one of my pterosaur stands, or shot glass, to hold it up, so. This one is the more color accurate Sinoceratops, and they actually sent me the right one. I'm very amazed, because a lot of times I think people have been saying they've been getting the wrong one. They've been sending us the other one. Alright. Sounds broke. The sounds don't work, man. Why don't the sounds work? Oh, there it goes. Okay, for those of you who want this, here is your Jurassic World. Okay, for those of you who want this, here is your QR code. Okay, there's the QR code. Here's the barcode of the box. I couldn't, come on. So, here's, okay. It's very similar to the blue one. The bloody camera. The sounds are a little harder to activate, which... The horns are a dark brown, except this one, it's green. There's no painted underbelly. The beak is a gravy colored brown. The eye is actually a yellowish color instead of that ugly black. The pupil was not painted. It's got the same patterns as the blue one, which is in the background. It's the same thing as the other ones, but this is the more screen accurate one. It has the orange around the frill. It's got an oversized sickle. Not sickle. Nasal horn. I'm really bored. I just want to go home. It's the same thing as the blue one, except green. Alright, this is the Plushwood Q Jurassic World unboxing. This is for the thumbnail. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video, and goodbye.